So the one question I get asked all the time is, what are filters? So this is a square ND filter. It's a 10-stop ND filter, and what these filters enable you to do is get great images where you can essentially make water look smooth, and you can make the clouds look like nice long streaks. Now these are also filters. This is a different type of filter. It's a GND filter. Now it's called a GND filter because it's a graduated filter. What this does is it graduates from the top all the way to the bottom, and it enables you to correct your image on the horizon wherever you want. So you have ultimate control. So these are to expose certain parts of the image, not the whole part, just like the ND filters actually do. So these are great for that purpose. So these filters go into a holder like this. This is the Nisi V7 filter, which is made very well. It does have a removable CPL, which is independent to the filter, so you can adjust the CPL just by using the cogs over here. So these filters and holders do come in really nice fancy pouches like this, and they serve and protect really well. But what if I'm doing a bit of video, or what if I need something quick? Well, that's where these filters come in. This is a circular polarizing filter, again made by Nisi, and the beautiful thing about this is that it's still made with the same high grade materials. This is a 1 to 5 stop, and it goes all the way up to 5. You can't see much there. So for video, it is fantastic from when you're going from inside to outside or the other way around, and you just can adjust the filtration without having to affect your shutter speed or your aperture or even your ISO. All in all, this is one of my favorite filters. It's got everything in there. It's basically so easy to use, so light to use, and just so convenient for everyday shooting.